Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To start this morning's webinar, the Kiwi dollar proceeded lower overnight and records a low of 71.33, just shy of its target of 71.20. In light of the current pattern, I still expect to see further weakness in the coming session today. However, what should be noted is that if we see a break in the Aussie dollar beneath that 75.90 handle, this could actually set up the Kiwi to move lower. So a break of 71 cents could actually give a projection towards 69.80 to 70.20 as initial target. With your stop now placed above that 72 handle, it is viewed that a break of 71 figure will expose a target of 69.80 to 70.20. Therefore, if triggered, then I recommend to lower your stop loss and keep it as a trailing stop. As I mentioned, the Australian dollar still looks towards that 75.90.95. The reason behind that is the fact that we got a challenge to the upside, once again failing around that 77 handle after printing a high of 94.96. In light of the retracement from 76.30 this morning is the fact that we could see further weakness in the coming session. As you can see here, the indicators are still weak, so I'm looking for a challenge from 30 and down towards 75.90. Now a break beneath there will give further exposure and hold for its weighted target of 74.80.90 and reassess from there. The euro overnight, as you can see, has taken out that support, holding at 105.70. What's disappointing is the fact that we didn't see any follow through. However, in light of the current pattern, we are, if you go to a 4 hour, we are in a downtrend, and this is the fact that euro should go towards its objective now, seen at 104.55.70, and reassess from there, as we could even be looking lower towards the near 14-year lows around that 103.40.65 region. Resistance on the day comes in at 106.10 and then firmer above at 106.70 to 107.15. Dollar yen this time around stages a very firm aggressive advance, purely on the back of Janet Yellen's testimony this morning, and the fact that we are now looking towards that 114.60.65 resistance. A break above there will give further exposure and look back towards that challenge of the recent failed around 115.50.55. And that's the key level to get that next move up to 118. Support on the day comes in at 113.70 and lower at 113.20. Sterling weaker overnight, but not enough to take the support out at 125.45. In light of the current pattern, I expect to see the market go through that level towards 123.80 and then down lower to 121.40.60 region. Resistance on the day comes in at 125.55 and firmer above at 126.05.15. No surprises from gold after failing towards the top side, and since the retreat from around that 12.33 to 12.38, the market now looks down towards potential target of 12.15 and reassess from there, as we could even be looking lower down towards the region around 12.08. On the day, any firm challenges towards top side should fail towards that 33 to 36 region. So that's a wrap up for the day, so do keep an eye on the Kiwi, and for those that want to trade further to the downside is from a break of 71 cents. So that's a wrap. Thank you very much, and look out for the intraday report that will be released very shortly.